Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from GCash to BDO. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up our GCash mobile application. Now once in here, we need to choose the option that says transfers and basically click on it. Now in the next page, what we need to do is we need to look for BDO. Now if you don't see BDO here, you could go ahead and click on view all and look for BDO. But in this case, let's go ahead and click on BDO. And from here in the next page, what we need to do is we just need to enter the following details. So that includes the amount that you want to transfer, the account name, the account number, as well as the email address that you want to send the receipt to, which is optional. Now in this case, once you fill out all those details, just hit on the send money option, and from there a one-time password will be sent to your mobile device, and basically enter that to confirm your transaction, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.